Okay, let's look at our next problem. Mrs. Yonke found the quotient of 4 for 34 divided by 8. Rework Mrs. Yonke's problem and describe the mistake she made. So 34 divided by 8. How many times can 8 go into 34 without going over? Cash. 4 times. Okay, and that is equal to 32, so we need to subtract 32, and we have 2 left over. What error did Mrs. Yonke make? Piper. Right, so there is, the quotient is 4, but what? But Mrs. Yonke forgot her remainder. Okay, you could even say 8 times 4 is 32. So there are 2 left over. Okay, I need you to have your study guide out, please. No? If it was out, I would not be asking. I know. Okay, last one. The television remote control in an office building downtown needs new batteries. It should say needs. In order to fully supply each office in the building with enough batteries, each office needs 8 batteries. If there are 341 batteries, how many offices can get new batteries, and how many batteries will be left over? Okay, what do you need to do to solve this? Faith. 341 divided by 8. Okay, 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 100 would be 800, which is too big. Can I subtract 80? Yes. Should I get closer?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look at that 34. How many times can 8 go into 34 without going over? We just did this question. Evie?
4 times.
4 times. So let's try 8 times 40. 8 times 4 is 32. Add your 0. So I can subtract 8 40 times, which is the same as subtracting 320. That leaves me with 21. Can I subtract 80 again?
Yes.
No. Can I subtract 8? Yes, but let's get closer. 8 times what gets me close to 21? Bennett?
2.
8 times 2 is 16. When I subtract, I have 5 left. Can I subtract 8 again? No. So I add my partial quotients. I have 42, remainder 5. So how many offices can get new batteries? Connor? 42. And how many batteries will be left over? Piper? 5. Okay, are there questions about any of the problems on the study guide? Okay? Yes, Brayden. What, do you have a question? What do you not get? This one? This one? Okay, what do we not understand? She thought the answer was 4, and the answer is 4 remainder 2. So what did she do wrong? You got it? Are you sure? Do you want to explain it to us to make sure?
Can I?
Michael?
She got the right answer, but she didn't put the remainder.
Right, she didn't include her remainder. Since 8 times 4 is only 32, then in her answer she needs to include remainder 2. So I think Piper said maybe she thought 8 times 4 was 34, which could be the exact error. We're not for sure. Either she forgot that, she didn't know the answer to 8 times 4, or she subtracted wrong, or she just forgot to bring up her remainder. Okay?